It's snowing!
Amazing!
I'm waiting!
The dogs are happily playing on the frozen river.
Okay. Let's go!
That's nice!
And even run under the bridge.
Come here!
That's nice! What's this?
The dump truck carries big rocks to the river. The wooden bridge is shaky with warning signs. The dump truck feels unsure,
Okay, it's my time!
but drives onto it anyway.
What happened?
Oh no! The wooden bridge breaks! The dump truck falls down and cracks the ice. The dump truck and the dogs are frozen.
Wow, it's a nice slide! Yeah!
Ambulance. Crane truck.
Hello! Let's go!
The construction rescue team rushes over.
Thank you! Okay. Are you ready? Yeah!
The crane truck lifts the dogs up to safety.
Okay. It's my time! Okay.
The ambulance uses a warm blower to melt the ice
amazing.
and gives the dogs some medicine.
I got it! Nice!
The dogs feel better very soon.
Yeah! Thank you! Look at this!
Oh yeah! But the ambulance sees the dump truck is too big. The blower doesn't work on it.
Got it!
So the crane truck takes the dump truck to the repair shop.
Okay.
First, they break the ice.
Let's go!
Then warm it up with a heater. Hooray! The dump truck is all better too.
Very much.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.